Here are 5 ways people can make money online. 1. Freelancing. Freelancing is one of the most popular ways to make money online. You can freelance in various fields like writing, designing, programming, and more. You can find freelance websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer where you can sign up as a freelancer and start bidding for projects. 2. Online teaching. With the growing need for online education, you can start teaching online. Want to learn how to make $10,000 per month? Subscribe and click link in description.